So welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to upload resume in LinkedIn profile, or how you can attach resume or upload resume in your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my LinkedIn. So guys, first you have to open your LinkedIn profile, and I will show you how you can upload the resume to your LinkedIn, so it is will applicable to all while you are applying the new job. Okay, so just open your LinkedIn and go to this me option and go to the setting and privacy. So if you're using iOS phone or Android phone, this is the same process you have to follow. Okay, so here just go to the just scroll down and just click on data privacy. In data privacy, just go to the job seeking preference, and here you can see the job application setting. Just click on it. Okay, now you can see this is save and manage your resume and answer. Okay, so allow the LinkedIn to save your resume and answer about your work experience and skill. You can always change your answer when you apply, so it will be synchronized your all answer from your resume. So it will be answer all question of employer if your resume has that type of content or answer. So they will synchronize, they will ask, fill up the by default answer. So you can on this. Now here you can see you can upload your resume. Just click on upload, and just find out the resume PDF file or Word file, and just click on it. It will be upload here. Okay, you will see this is a resume, and you can delete your old resume. Just click on it and delete it, or download your old resume. So when you apply any new job, so this resume will be automatically attached in your application. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.